No jailbreak your computer needed, guys, so keep watching the video and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. This is super insane. Hey gamers, so today we'll get free fetch rewards points with a mod. So as you can see, I got 12,000, so I just turned on unlimited points. So let's see if it goes up. So as you can see, our points should start to rise on fetch rewards. So let's see if it works, guys, and then we're going to be rich. So yeah, so it's adding the points right now, so we'll see what happens. Alright, it says they were added, so as you can see, I only have 12,000, but maybe it will go up. So yeah, it's working. So I'm going to show you guys how to get it for your device so you can get unlimited points on fetch rewards. So first thing we're going to do, guys, is navigate to tweakmod.com. So yeah, it's super cool, guys. So in this search bar, just type fetch and then press install, and before it downloads, it's going to be a verification. So what you need to do is download 2 apps and follow the instructions. So they're 100% for free from official app stores. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's just wait for it to load here. As you can see, so yeah, it's super cool, guys. So we're just going to let it load up and you guys will see the magic. So yeah, this is super cool. So yeah, it's loading right now, so we'll just give it a second to load up, and then it should take us to that last step where we just need to download 2 of the apps. So like World Winner is down and run for 30 seconds, you know, Family Island, you got to reach level 11. So just make sure you guys do 2 of them. I'll see you later, but that's how to do it. I don't do videos anymore, but had to share this one. It's wild.